Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Can-Am SPYDER RTS SE5. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Can-Am SPYDER RTS SE5 with 27,120 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. Powered by a 998cc Rotax V-twin engine, the SPYDER puts 100 horsepower and 80 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 29-inch seat height and a 1,188-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 13 volts, both front tires at 630 seconds and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender, a blemish on the rear fender, a tear on the rider's seat, and a scratch on the saddlebag. This trike has a toolkit and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.